Okay, hey guys, today I'll be making some fluffy slime and it'll be really fun. Okay, so your ingredients will be glue. I'm using Elmer's glue. It doesn't matter as long as it has PVA. A bowl and something to mix with. I just have this straw thing. Food coloring. It is optional, but I'm not using food coloring. I'm going to be using this pink puffy paint. You need or you can use. Then you also need some borax and water, or you can use eye drops or contact solution. I'm just using borax and water. You need water